Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I want to show you how to get rid of notifications in Windows 10. You know those little notifications that show up right here, lower right hand corner of your screen, and they drive you nuts? Let's get rid of them. Go to Start, Settings, System, Notifications and Actions. Now this is where you control them all. This is where you control all of them. So depending on what you have installed on your computer, every computer is going to be a little different. So just go through this list. If you want to turn one off, just click the off. If you want to turn it off, just go through the whole list. Google, always get that off. Google is really bad for notifications. Anyone else in here? That one off. That one off. I think that's about it. That's all I'm doing for mine. I had a real bad one with my other computer from Dell. Dell was warning me every day about this support assist, driving me nuts. So I got rid of that one on my computer. So that's how to get rid of these annoying, very annoying notifications on Windows 10. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.